Are we alone in the universe?
NASA officially confirmed
An alien ship detected in the solar system, not alone in the universe.
Today we'll dig deeper into this mind-boggling question that why we haven't met aliens yet. So firstly, we have to make sure that there can be almost 99% of chances that alien civilization do exist, because it is obvious that life can be formed beyond our human thinking. And if we talk about stuff in our radius, then there can be millions of planets revolving around sun-like star and can have the environment of forming life. But still, where are they? So there are some strong conspiracies that practically states why we haven't met them yet, because if they're present in the same region that we call universe, so why we are not able to met them? To understand this, let's first understand that what actually they are, like what actually aliens are. So basically, we humans and life around us are just carbon chain, right? But it is not mandatory that aliens are meant to be the same like us, because they can have an entirely different biological clock system comparatively. So don't get shocked if someday you found an alien in the shape of an ant and intelligence of Albert Einstein. Now if we came on to the reasons that why we haven't met them yet, so the first reason could be that maybe they are not that much evolved. For example, it took us, the life on Earth, also millions of years for evolving into a being that can think about this universe. And similarly, maybe the aliens are yet on a stage where they are not that much capable of accepting this fact that there could be life beyond their circle they live in. And let's jump on to a second reason, and the most interesting one, that what if the alien civilization are very much evolved, even more than us, but still they can't find us and we can't find them? Can be because of the existence of the concept of time. So we have already discussed the fact that time is relative. It can be different for us and it can be different for them. For example, it can be that aliens that are millions of light years away from us, there could be dinosaurs presently on Earth for them. And if we just increase the distance, maybe for them, Earth haven't formed yet. And the same goes for humans. Okay, let me discuss it in a more deeper way. We have already discussed that time is based on the concepts of distance and the gravitational field of a region. And if we talk about distance first, then the more you travel faster, the more time passes slower for you. So it could be that aliens are exactly that much far from us that for them, planet like Earth didn't even exist. Or maybe they are traveling that much faster in the universe that for them, humans once existed, but now they have just exploded in a nuclear bomb, and that's why they are not even making efforts to find us. Now if we talk about some more practical ways and some other reasons that why we haven't met the alien civilization yet, could be because our space is expanding constantly. For example, suppose our Earth is at a point X and aliens are at a point Y. Now Y, that are aliens, decided to reach X, and at a uniform speed they started traveling towards X. But that time that when Y means the alien reaches the point X, then X means us would probably not there, because maybe we too get displaced due to the expansion of this universe. But this is an hypothetical case, and this only happens when the Y point that are aliens is traveling slower than the rate of expansion of the universe. And this is something like more interesting than the reasons. Now, fourth and the concluding reason of the video that why aliens can't find us can be because of the region they live in. Because it is possible that there are many dangerous and yet extraordinary regions of the universe that are still unexplored by humans, but yet known by humans, that you are seeing in the video right now. And it can be because of the region they live in, because of the place they are surrounded with, they can't just see beyond it. Because if we talk about us, then we have some defined regions of this cosmos. We have the definitions of observable universe, even of the unobservable universe that it is yet a place that we can't find, but we know that it exists. But it can be that the region and the places where aliens are living, it can be that maybe it is a fixed boundary for them. Maybe something beyond them is like an idea of nothingness for them. And again, if we talk about the reason number one that we have discussed, they are not that much evolved to think that there can be something beyond this region they live in, the region they are surrounded with. And I think that this reason may sound boring as compared to the others, but I think it is one of the best and one of the most practical things that can happen about this idea, because let's just not discuss deeply in this video. Let's think of yourself how fascinating it is. Now, at last, I'll just conclude this video with the simple note that till the time finding aliens is not in our hand, let's just focus on the other mysteries of this cosmos, because there is yet many things to find out. Thank you.